Hello, friends. Welcome to Tales and Teachings Africa, where we explore our awesome, magical, super fantastic continent, one fun story at a time.
Let's zoom in and take a closer look at Africa. Did you know Africa is the second largest continent on Earth? It covers more than 30 million square kilometers. That's about 20% of all the world's land. Now, picture this. If you place the United States, China, India, and most of Europe inside Africa, they would all fit comfortably, and there'd still be room for the Sahara Desert, and maybe even a parade of elephants and giraffes.
Hold up. You mean Africa could fit all those countries and still have space for elephants? That's like the ultimate VIP parking lot.
And here's another mind blowing fact: Africa stretches more than 8,000 kilometers from north to south and nearly 7,500 kilometers from east to west. That's like traveling from Lagos to London and then doing it all over again, more than 4 times. Or imagine walking from Nigeria to South Africa, then repeating it 10 more times. You'd need some very comfy shoes.
Comfy shoes. I'd need a rocket skateboard just to keep up.
But let's get something straight. Africa is not a country. It's made up of 54 independent countries, each with its own capital city, flag, and government. That's more countries than any other continent. To make it easier to explore, Africa is often grouped into 5 regions.
North Africa, Egypt, Morocco, Algeria.
West Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal.
East Africa, Kenya, Ethiopia, Tanzania.
Central Africa, Congo, Cameroon, Gabon.
Southern Africa, South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe.
Each region is like a chapter in one giant storybook, filled with new adventures, languages, music, and food.
54 chapters. That's a lot of stories. And a lot of delicious food too. Dibs on the jollof rice.
In the north, golden deserts stretch far and wide. The Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. The mighty River Nile, the longest river on earth, flows through 11 countries, carrying history along its banks.
In the west, you hear the beat of drums, smell spicy foods like jollof rice, and join colorful festivals buzzing with life.
In the east, mighty mountains like Kilimanjaro rise above the land, while great lakes like Lake Victoria shimmer under the sun, and zebras, lions, and giraffes roam the savannah.
In Central Africa, rainforests stretch for thousands of kilometers, alive with parrots, gorillas, and twisting rivers.
And in the south, you'll find penguins waddling on beaches, elephants marching across wide plains, and lions resting in tall grasslands.
Penguins on a beach, gorillas in the jungle, lions on the grasslands. Africa's like the coolest adventure park ever. Do they sell season tickets?
But Africa's greatest treasure isn't just its land, it's its people. Over 1.4 billion people live here. That's nearly one out of every 6 people on earth. Africans speak more than 2,000 languages. Some of the most widely spoken include Arabic, Swahili, Hausa, Amharic, Yoruba, and Zulu. And Africa is the birthplace of many of the world's religions and cultures. Islam and Christianity are practiced widely, alongside traditional African beliefs passed down for generations.
2,000 languages. Wow, that means there are 2,000 different ways to say hello. I'd need a super language passport just to keep up.
So, remember this: Africa is huge, diverse, and full of wonders. With 54 countries, thousands of languages, and countless stories waiting to be discovered. Now, let me ask you, if you had a magic passport to explore Africa, where would you go first? The deserts, the jungles, the mountains, or the grasslands?
Oh, I'd start with the jungles. I want to meet the gorillas and parrots. What about you? Where would you begin your African adventure? Did you enjoy our adventure today?
I did, and I want to learn more.
Then don't forget to like this video,
Share it with your friends,
subscribe to our channel.
and click that little bell so you don't miss any fun.
See you next time